Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Christmas dog toys is probably one of the most exciting and festive ways to include your furry best friend in the holiday cheer, offering a delightful array of options designed to bring joy and entertainment to your beloved pets during this special time of year. From squeaky plush characters dressed as Santa and elves to durable chew toys shaped like candy canes and gingerbread men, these toys are crafted to withstand enthusiastic play while adding a touch of holiday spirit to your home, ensuring that your dog feels just as cherished and celebrated as everyone else during the most wonderful time of the year. Number 5. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend play set designed for aspiring young doctors. It includes everything they need to step into the role. This kit comes with a variety of realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, and a doctor's costume. It's perfect for imaginative play and learning. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This toy can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to experience it in a fun way. Through role-playing, children can develop confidence, communication skills, and empathy. They'll love taking care of their patients, real or imaginary. This educational medical toy is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a big hit for children aged 3 to 8 who dream of becoming a doctor or dentist. What we like? This is a fantastic starter kit for aspiring young doctors. If your child loves pretend play and has a desire to help others, this kit offers a comprehensive set of tools and a costume to fully immerse them in the role. It's perfect for easing anxieties about doctor visits and fostering empathy. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful function and feature. The product is factual and meets expectations. Number 4. Dr. Seuss Classic Reindeer Max T-shirt. Step into a world of whimsical fun with this classic Dr. Seuss-inspired T-shirt. It's a timeless design that brings a touch of playful charm to your everyday wear. Featuring the beloved character, Reindeer Max, this tee is perfect for fans of all ages. Let this iconic character add a dash of Seussical magic to your outfit. Crafted for comfort and designed for style, this T-shirt is a must-have for your casual wardrobe. Enjoy the soft fabric and the eye-catching graphic. Available in a small US size, it offers a great fit for those who appreciate a classic cut. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and iconic design. Looking for a unique gift? This Dr. Seuss T-shirt is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Surprise a loved one with this special piece. The deep black color provides a versatile backdrop for the vibrant design. It's a bold choice that pairs well with anything in your closet. What we like? Show your love for a beloved children's author with this comfortable tee. If you're a fan of Dr. Seuss and appreciate classic, recognizable designs, this shirt is a great addition to your casual wardrobe. It's ideal for relaxed outings or themed events. What people say. This is a great product for dogs that love to chew. The design is very durable and my dog has not been able to destroy it yet. It is also very easy to clean, which is a big plus for me. Number 3. Dr. Seuss Grinch Sculpted Ceramic Salt and Pepper Set. Bring a touch of vintage charm to your kitchen with this custom-designed salt and pepper set. It features original sculpted artwork of the Grinch and his loyal dog, Max. These shakers are conveniently sized, measuring approximately 2 by 2.5 by 2.62 inches. They are the ideal addition to any dining table or countertop. This officially licensed set is 100% authentic, making it a must-have for any true Dr. Seuss fan. It's the perfect gift for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Made from premium 100% dolomite, this set is built to last. You can be sure of its quality and durability for everyday use. To keep them looking their best, simply hand wash these pieces with a damp cloth. Avoid machine washing to preserve their intricate details. What we like? Bring some holiday mischief to your kitchen with this charming set. If you're looking for a unique and officially licensed piece of Dr. Seuss memorabilia, this is it. It's perfect for Grinch fans and adds a festive, whimsical touch to your dining table. What people say. The design is very cute and festive, perfect for the holiday season. The product is well made and durable, ensuring it will last for many Christmases to come. It functions exactly as described and adds a fun, joyful element to any Christmas celebration. Number 2. The greatest Christmas novelty of all time. Get ready for the most enchanting Christmas experience. This is the ultimate novelty you've been waiting for. Make this holiday season unforgettable. It's designed to bring joy and wonder to your celebrations. Looking for the perfect present? This novelty is sure to delight everyone on your list. Prepare to be amazed by its unique charm. It's the greatest Christmas novelty ever created. Elevate your festive spirit with this extraordinary item. It's the perfect addition to your holiday decor. What we like? Looking for a truly unique and memorable Christmas gift? This item promises a good laugh and a memorable unboxing experience. If you want to give a present that stands out from the usual and brings a smile to someone's face, consider this. What people say. The dog is very cute and looks great on the Christmas tree. The design is festive and the quality is good. Number 1. Laird LPG Snowboarding Snowmen Christmas Card. Send warm wishes this holiday season with this charming Christmas card. It's a perfect way to share joy and excitement with loved ones. Featuring playful snowmen, a dog, and a cat enjoying the winter fun. This design is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Crafted from heavy cardstock, this card offers a premium feel. Its durable quality ensures it will be cherished. The inside is printed in full color, adding an extra touch of festivity to your message. It's as delightful inside as it is outside. The inside verse wishes recipients a holiday filled with fun and excitement. It's the ideal sentiment for a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Measuring 7 by 5 inches, there's plenty of space for your personal message. It's a substantial size that makes a statement. Each card comes with a crisp white envelope, ready for mailing. It's a complete package for easy sending. What we like? Send warm wishes with a touch of winter fun. If you're searching for a cheerful and well-made Christmas card to send to friends and family, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy playful holiday imagery and want to convey excitement for the season. What people say. The Dr. Dog Christmas is a fantastic addition to any holiday decor, with its intricate design and festive charm. This product is well made and durable, ensuring it will last for many holiday seasons to come. The attention to detail in the Dr. Dog Christmas makes it a standout piece, bringing joy and cheer to any room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.